It's almost there. Look, it's coming. It's coming like a motherfucker.
It's gonna go.
Yeah, it's gonna go. Man, I can't see it too good in the camera.
It's already like halfway through that cup.
I know. Oh,
There
faithful.
goes.
There it is. And action. Pop off, bitch.
It better not just stay right there, dude.
It's gonna suck, dude. Damn, that's a lot.
Did you cut it off?
Yeah. Fuck. Should have timed it. Well, it ain't gonna work like that now. No clamp, no bueno.
Just leave it like that, so it covers up the hole for the night, you know?
We'll do what?
Just leave it like that, covering up the hole for the night. Right? I'm sure I didn't shit my pants earlier. Thanks for recording me. Oh, okay.
What'd you do earlier?
Yeah, I shit my pants. What happens when you fart too hard? That's a moment right there.
That's fucking funny.
That's a Kodak moment.